Just going to do a quick voice check. Uh, okay, I think the voice is good. We'll get started. Okay, so tree and linked list questions are what I have not done. So probably that might be one good thing to try it out. And yeah, these are all easy ones. Just want to revise the concepts. So there is this, right? Meeting rooms and meeting rooms too. So let's try to do this meeting rooms too. And probably if I open a new tab here, so Java is unlocked. Cool. So given an array of meeting interval objects, okay, so interval has two things, start and so the idea here is simple. You want to avoid the conflict, right? Minimum number of meeting rooms. So you sort it basically 0, 40, and then 5, 10, and then 15, 20, right? These are the meetings that you have. If I sort them by the first come first, right? 0 will come first and this. So initially we only need one day, right, for this. Now this is collapsing with this, so we need 2 days. And then you move forward. Basically what you can do is write the start time and the end time. You can sort these specific elements by start time and the end time. Like you can have different entries, right? So 0, 5, 15 and 10, 20, 40. So you know that okay, this meeting has started, so you need one room. Then you know that okay, another one has started, so you definitely need two. But then this has gone, so you maximum two is there. Then current is one only, then you again need two. So that is how you can do basically. So you can sort because you always know that the meeting is going to end differently, right? So you can sort the starting and end point in a different order. Basically, like you can create a list of like start, st right? Or instead of this, I can do better way. No, not report bug. then okay, it is asking me to sign in. Let's do that also. And also will do that. Okay, where was it? Let's try to elegant engineer. Yep, I've signed in. I'll bring this back here. Then run. Oh, shell says you need to already signed in. So cool. Nice. So do we get a profile here? No, nothing like that. That's the idea, guys, to solve this. Meeting room 1 and meeting room 2 is also very similar, I think. Why can't I click on this? Something is wrong, right? It should automatically take it. Many person could attend all the meetings. If there is a overlap, uh, they can't attend, right? It's pretty straightforward. Oh my god, it refreshed again. Damn it. Okay. Mm-hmm. We'll take a quick break. We'll do some background work. Then we'll come back. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool guys. So we are going to see. I don't want to do all these. These are okay. This I all have done. These are done. So this is okay. And this today itself. These are all problems that are done. These are okay. And in graphs, these are okay. Straightforward. Walls and grid straightforward. Core set topological sort straightforward. Union find straightforward. I try backtracking. Do we really need to do? I want to do this actually. So this we did yesterday itself. Sliding window maximum right DQ you need to use the concept of monotonic stack here. So this will mark as visited. But sliding minimum string that I'll do is it, yeah, this will do. So this is on a sliding window technique, right? So basically A, D, O, B, E, C, whatever is given and we want to see minimum characters that has only A, B, C, right? So once I have got all this, once I've got the minimum, then I can start reducing. And once it becomes invalid, then we can start again. That's the whole concept of it. So basically you need first of all int frequency. This will be your T, like what word you are searching. Is you're going to search T, right? So T dot to char array frequency of ch plus plus. Now what we need is int start is 0, int min length is let's say integer dot max value. Now and then I am going to need what is the current window also, right? So for int I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus window. Oh, let's do this window ch minus a plus plus. Now while it is valid, right? That means that this is a good answer. While valid, you need frequency and when you can reduce the window, right? So window of s dot char at I minus a, here it needs to be start and then you do plus plus minus minus, right? Now this is a valid, so int length is equal to I minus start plus 1, right? If length is less than min length, then your min start is equal to start length is equal to min length is equal to length, right? And basically public boolean valid string, not string. So int frequency int when for int I equal to 0 I less than 26 I plus plus if frequency of I is greater than when of I, return false, otherwise return true. So return s dot substring min start plus min length. That should be the answer. Okay, so there are big characters also. It contains the same thing. Make it 256. Okay, So I think A comes after, so probably better to use big A. Is it? ASCII alphabets. ASCII table says that A is 41 and A is 61, so 97. So your minus. So this will be better. So there is a possibility that it is not possible. So if min length is equal to integer dot max value, then you just give this. So adiabac is not the correct answer. Answer is bank, right? So why is it not correct? Is because you have to increase start. Permutation in a string. Given a toString S1 and S2, return true if S2 contains permutation of S1. If S2 contains permutation of S1, S2, S, S2 contains, right? So if it has that. So basically, substring of S2. So basically, it has to be substring, right? S1's permutation is substring. It should not be like exactly. So first of all, E, if it is not the permutation, then it is going to be tricky, right? So how can you do it? So you have this. Basically, you can first of all try to. You can have int frequency s1 dot to char array, right? So frequency is ch minus a plus plus. Now the next thing that you can do is in this window, if it matches, if it has all the characters, then only it will have frequency, correct? Now only that length will have that. If that length is also same, so basically s2 dot length e plus plus uh, window of s2 dot char at I minus a plus plus while valid frequency and window, right? Now length is equal to I minus start plus 1. If length is equal to s1 dot length, then means it is true. Return true. Otherwise, you reduce it and find further, right? So you say that in the of because you don't want extra characters. Once it is valid, that's good. It is not, then it is not. So here it will be valid, right? But then you will be reducing everything. Like cool. So longest substring without duplicate characters. So basically you have A, B, C, right? Duplicate. Whenever one duplicate comes, you kind of remove it, right? Longest substring without duplicate characters. Whenever you have seen it, then you have to reduce it unless that goes away, right? Otherwise, this is again a easy problem. Best time to sell. This is a good problem actually. Longest repeating character replacement. Hmm. You are given a string s and an integer k. You can choose any character of string and change it to any uppercase character. You can perform this operation almost k times. So only one character it need to have, right? So yeah, this is an interesting problem. Take a pause, guys. Here, I think you will take a pause. Hmm.